Canadian here in US, Onye Igbo na Georgia. My brother, this is a very, very big advice to everyone that dreaming to come to US. If you don't know how to speak good English, as in their own accent, if you don't know how to, it will be difficult for you. It will be difficult for you to find job. If the ordinary news, I'll be watching news, I don't know what is going on there. As a typical Igbo man, my letter one is Igbo, from Nigeria, especially Igbo man, pure Igbo man, pure Igbo man, original Igbo man, pure Igbo man, my brother. It becomes very difficult for me. I can't even speak. I tried to learn, I don't know. What to do, I don't know. My wife went and bought this book for me. I should be learning. So I want to learn how to be speaking like American people. Now, that's why I'm here. I want to learn how to be speaking like American people, so that if I'm preaching the gospel of Christ, they will understand me. Understand? If you do not understand me, so how can I move on? So it's good to have, at least you have. That's why I love China. Chinese people use their language to speak. This one you have to interpret. Let me start, my brother. This is work. These things you pass through. Oh, this training now will be in this training for one good year. No work, no job. Bro, I can't bomb some sender here. Did you come here? I'm not Kuba. I'm more language. I'm not Kuba how to speak English. For one good year, I'm not more here. I'm more shy. I'm more of more. I can be able to look for job. Because when you call them na phone, they send them. Okay. Put God first in your life. 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 He loves you more. He loves you more. He loves you more. He loves you more. In British English. He loves you more than you ever know. Put God first in your life. He loves you more than you ever know. There is only one God. There is only one God. One God. Okay. There is only one God. One God. There is only one God. One God. There is only one God. How can God be God? There is only one God. Do not worship anyone or anything else. Do not worship anyone or anything else. There is only one God. One God. One God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh God, God. Oh my God. God, that one God. There is only one God. There is only one God. One God. Don't want to listen. Do not worship anyone or anything else. Speak proudly to everyone and do not use God's name as a bad word. Speak proudly to everyone and do not use God's name as a bad word. A bad word. Speak proudly. Speak proudly. Speak proudly. Speak proudly. Jamaica. Speak proudly to everyone and do not use God's name as a bad word. And do not use God's name as a bad word. Speak proudly to everyone and do not use God's name as a bad word. Love, honor, and obey your mother and father. Love, honor, and obey your mother and father. Be kind to them. 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 They only want you to be. They only want you. They only want the best for 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 you. No, yeah, Omoka language. They only want the best for you. No, this is Yoruba tongue. They only want the best for you. They only want the best for you. They only want the best for you. Do not hurt others with your words. or action. Be friendly, play nice with everyone. Do not hurt others with your action. Do not hurt others. Do not hurt others with your words or action. Be friendly and play nice with everyone. Be faithful. Be faithful. Be faithful. Be faithful. Be faithful and honor your commitment to others. Be faithful and honor your commitment to others. To others. To others. To others. To others. Be faithful and honor your commitment to others. Faithful and honor your commitment to others. Do not take things that don't belong to you. Do not take things that don't belong to you as partly, tomorrow, or share. As partly, to borrow or share. Okay. Do not take anything that don't belong to you as partly, to borrow or share. Do not take things that don't belong to you as partly, to borrow or share. Wow. For sure. Be honest and always tell the truth, even when it's hard. Be honest. Yeah, be honest and always tell the truth, even when it's hard. Be honest and always tell the truth, even when it's hard. Do not worship what others have and be grateful for what God has given you. Do not worship what others have and be grateful what God has given you. Yeah? Okay? Yeah, get it. I think I'm getting it. And look forward to what He will provide. And look forward for what He's provide. And look forward for what He provide for you. Okay? My brother, we are going to end this lecture here today. Tomorrow I will continue. One day, this is what I'm doing for now in US. I'm learning language. I'm learning their accent. Onye Igbo. I don't know how to speak. Onye Igbo, mam bekee asụ ọfụma. Ọkwa n'ihe ihere ka eji wenye akọm ọnụ. Understand? Ụfọdụ m Onye Igbo. Nwere leta ihe abụrụ course. Akpara akpa amụ. Ama ya amụ. Understand? Ana amụchi amụcha. Understand? Eji ihe niile amụ akwa na ya. Ugbu a na-eji m akwụkwọ amụ. Understand? Akpara akpa amụ. Eji m akwụkwọ amụ nke m. You know, ndị Igbo na-amụcha ihe ụwa amụcha. Understand? Like in the China na-amụcha. Understand? So, ka ị na-amụ kwa na-aga. You know, eji m akwụkwọ amụ ha. So, amakwara m ga-amụta. Understand? So, that alone, over Igbo can share our Igbo. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, please. Help me subscribe. That's the only way I can move forward here. Subscribe, please, if you love me. Thank you.